Yeah, me I said a fire. You know, so from the other day, I see a thing go on dread. And I not telling all lie, you know, yeah. You see them people are youth. Every time another brother make a stride in a life, it's like everybody just feel like them for just make it the point of them duty dread. To try bring down them one black brother and them black sister. You see what I said, dread? You know the little youth the other day from Mobile. Yeah man, the little artist youth from Mobile rise the other day there. I mash up the whole of something. So what name again? Rygin Fire? Oh, Rygin King, yeah. Yeah, I want to say something in a dread because you know what I observe? Aya, hear this Aya. You know what I observe, dread? The other day after Rygin stay some burps and drop some hot song and everybody love it and the youth stay so and step out. As I get a star, see? And then all of a sudden, through the youth can't speak proper English. The whole Jamaica will fall down for the youth, dread. Even only for the teacher they want to teach. The little people them in the school, dread. Only for them never know how to speak proper English. See me I say, dread. But the whole Jamaica will fall down for Rygin Fire. I mean, Rygin King. I thought what the youth don't know how to pronounce and speak proper English. But here me I say fire. You see, in our language after them bring I come round here. Yeah, in our language, hail up sister, much love daughter, yeah. Like a Rosie and a stink and Frownzy. What you mean, baby? As me I say, the youth on here Rygin King dread. The whole Jamaica want fall down for the youth through the youth don't know how to speak proper English. Let me tell you this bumbo clot here. See, the whole of Jamaica is like a big old hypocritical country. Because the last time I checked fire, most of Jamaica speak proper patois, not proper English dread. So if you know the youth and make you youth rise, you come like some hypocrite. As a matter of fact, you come like on the barn and just hypocrite and suck out on the mother breast. Blessed, blessed. As me I said, dread, it's like I just hypocrisy they was up from the mother breast from birth. You see me I say, I don't understand what go on here. When you follow youth and make you youth rise. When you follow star make star shine. When you too corrupt, dread. You understand me I say, brother? You understand me I say, Rasta? I'm too corrupt, aye. If you know youth and make you youth rise. Look how movie are going from where there. And as the youth them start rise, it's like I just be a destruction them a try fall down for the youth them. But if you know youth them, if you nurture the youth them, show the youth them the right way to move forward higher. Instead of try to find a reason to tear down the eye them youth. That's why I say repatriation, you know. Black people if you go back to Africa, dread. You know say Africa go on with a whole heap of things in the world. See it now, Rasta. Africa start unite real way. The empire and talk about it, you know. See it a manifest now. It a come to life fire. So everything shall come to pass. You see me I say dread. Don't shoot the messenger, yeah. Just take the message and go on higher. Blessed love. Blessed love. See? Here we go on now, Rasta. I got hide up a small pot in a church and you don't know a fool have to go in a instructor saying so the eye really the eye them come out. See? Yeah man, blessed love, see? Rygin King, the youth there. It's like the whole Jamaica try come down upon the youth dread. It's like I be a hypocrite Mr. live on here. See me as a fire. Them a try overthrow the king. But the kingdom is firmly planted. As the youth say, when they mention dancehall, they have to call him name. So make the king go through here, man. Them flag of the youth, because the youth are star. Or some of them say them a hype up from where they I go on like them are no bad artists. Them can't even perform like the youth shoesless. You ever take a good look on the youth shoes higher? The youth shoesless I perform better than a whole heap of them out there in the dancehall right now. I burn a fire upon them and them corruption boy, yeah. One love, I go through, say blessed love, I so. One love. I wake up this morning and I feel a spirit. You hear me I say dread? Yeah. And the spirit doesn't tell me if you don't come out from talk. See me I say, I don't understand what's going on here in a dread. A proper pattern chat around a dread. So if you don't look a blood clot, you get to me I say fire, I stop and go on like they were trying. Hold on, get to you. But they know say, hey Babylon boy, go down! Cause Rasta never afraid. And Rasta never frowns the dread. Cause Rasta ever beard. See me I say, brother, you get to me I say, and the youth stay some boom and go some first. And take the whole of some first for himself. It's like them now have no land left out there right now, I be a sea water. Cause Rygin King leave with the whole of some fest with you, brother. You got to me, I say fire. Me say half a dancer can't even perform properly like the youth. You see me, I say dread. And I'm try to fight down the youth. I me understand so them like so when time a great man rise. Jamil did come tell them, you know. So them never like so when time a great man arise. You see me, I say, it's like it's embedded in a them one DNA system to fight down them one another star. Yeah, manners, bless. Yeah, I'm a David John. Ain't good. Well, yeah, I get up this morning and it's like an energy just tell I to go out into the community and talk, I mind. You get what I say? So watch what I go on the dread. It's like from radio, I see a couple of youth rise up from Anya in the music thing. You see me as a fire. Rygin King, yes Rygin King. After I see the youth stay song, go on with that thing in our life. See? I bust out of the park. You get to me as a dread. I stay and I drop some hot song in the street and the girl them love it and the gangster them rock with it. You see it? And the youth stay song to take some test dread. So the youth done with some test fire. Mr. Not even the grass on the over there. Be a sea water. Because all the land you down here, the way you deal with some test. Wicked the other day. So me as a dread. And truly you don't know how to speak proper English. And in pronunciation is not 100% dread. The whole of Jamaica want fall down for the youth. They want to dethrone the king. You feel so that right, dread?
No,
not a bumbo clan.
No,
well, I defend the youth, saying, because them a try to stop the youth, but them can't do it, you know. It's like a king with a crowd. And the youth kingdom is planted by the rivers of the river Nile, saying, cannot be moved. Hear what I have said, dread, saying, the last time I checked, the whole of Jamaica speak proper patois fire, not proper English. You get to me, I say, the last time I checked, even the teacher in the school don't know how to speak proper English. You get to me, I say, brother, Rastafari, ever living, ever sure.
Ever blessed.
Ever blessed, never stress. You get to me, I say, Babylon full of mess. That's why there is a repatriation for black people, you know. Back in Africa, we have to go to claim what is rightfully ours. See me as a Jen, what I talk about the hypocrisy what around your eye. It's like any time a black bread, you me as a man. Just make the light start shine for you right now. See, make you wake up a morning and you can find all your morning breakfast and you're not stressed. I see if your neighbor don't have a problem with it, brother. It's like a be a hypocrite live around your church.
Fire!
You see what I say? You have to get rid of them hypocrisy. So I'm try to hold on the youth named Rygin King. And look how Rygin King are going. And I'm try to strive for the youth star. But hear me I say now, you see when they mention dancehall music, they must always mention the youth name. And the youth name Rygin King fire. Well, if you know youth can make youth shine. Because when I say youth can perform better than half a dancehall dread. Let me tell you something. A TJ, a Rygin King, alone can perform around here on a level scene. But I'm not bash the rest of artists them scene. Because here we are going scene. Everybody have them one style scene. But Rygin King are going to great for the try to style for the star. Get to me and say
fire!
Fire, what you mean? Then fire not off the bun for
same thing I do KG9.
But here them can't fight. Them can't fight the music dread. Just go check back your catalog. And here's the youth to make hit song around here. The youth walk and talk around here. Like only for them can come eat the fruit off of the tree that it plant. You see all of the youth them you see rising of the music from on here. I feel proud. It's like a part of I achievement and accomplishment. You see me as a fire because if I never get it, them get it. So I walk the walk and talk the talk to the eye them. See? I mean I say, well, to love Rygin King dread. Them to love Rygin King dread because Rygin King a star. A star go always shine. You get to me and say, I'm know son, I agree with me too, you know. Let me tell you this. Try to structure one sentence, or one paragraph, and use proper English, and see how best you go do. And better to speak proper patois, you can get the point across even better. Hey, you hear me Rygin King? When they mention dancehall music, they have to always call the name, saying, so nobody worry about them and them bad mind, saying, because to realize the bank book still a grow. No, what you mean, fire? So let's go through, yeah? Don't let them stop you. Rygin King, show them say the world of fear now. Rygin King, and you're the king in a king. So let's deal with the thing for the kingly level in a king. Don't make them try to drain the energy king. Because you're the king, and them a try to dethrone the king. But the king already up on the throne. Make them see all the while with a smile, even when they want your frown. Saying dread. Holy Emmanuel is last year.
Joe! Rastafari, patriation, the must.